Hello friends, today I am going to show you how to make a bootable pen drive. Just for it, go to the browser and search for the Power ISO, and here you can see the download option. After clicking the download, you can go to the page. Here you can see the download version 32-bit and the 64-bit. Download according to your system requirement. I already have downloaded the Power ISO and installed it. So open the Power ISO, just right click and open run as an administrator. Yes, you can see this is unregistered version of Power ISO. In further videos I will show you how to crack this Power ISO. Just now continue unregistered. Go to the tool and choose the clean USB drive. Before making a bootable pen drive or bootable USB drive, you must be sure to clean the USB drive or remove the file from USB drive or format your USB drive. Okay, my USB drive is SanDisk clean USB drive. Okay, it's just cleaning completed. Close. Go to the tool and look for the option create bootable USB drive. Okay, and we have to select our image file or the ISO file. In my previous video I have explained how to download the ISO file for Windows 10. Just search for your ISO file. Open. Now select start. Okay, it takes some time to make our pendrive bootable, so please be patient and wait for a few minutes. Writing USB drive completed. Now we can see, look, this is the bootable pen drive. You can use it to install Windows 10 anywhere. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment and press the bell icon.